Hello, in this video, I would like to talk about the nature of science. Now, some people believe that science is all about challenging consensus. And to some extent, this is true. But there are two sides to that coin. Science is largely about building consensus. If a scientist proposes a theory about how a physical phenomenon works, then that idea is only credible to the extent that that scientist can build consensus for that model. If that scientist fails to build consensus for that model should be rejected. Now, lay people are largely under the impression that if a credentialed scientist says something, then whatever that scientist said is more than likely true, or even worse than that, is true. However, an educated person in the field of science will know that a model for a physical phenomenon is only as good as that theory has been peer-reviewed and tested by other scientists. Now, we see in certain media enclaves that certain scientists will deliberately misrepresent the scientific process in the hope, or because they have the desire to essentially make a name for themselves to a public that is thirsty for whatever information, or I would say misinformation, that scientist is presenting. This can be seen in the Covid-19 misinformation campaign that is prevalent in the right-wing atmosphere.